Chop the onions, let them weep. Flavors waking, love runs deep. In the heat of the kitchen, hearts collide. Risking joy with every strike. Spices dancing, stories told. Cooking love worth more than gold. In the heat of the kitchen, hearts collide. Risking joy with every strike.
Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys having a blessed day so far. So yeah man, you know this man I get up and I was like, I feel like for some fruit juice, and I put my foot in my hands and run down the high street, grab some fruits, and so I'm gonna make myself some fruit drink. So I'm gonna show you guys what I've got to make my fruit drink. So I managed to grab papaya, lovely papaya, nice green mango, should be ripe inside, and I'll get some ginger as well, and I've got pineapple. Yeah man, so we are going to use this to deal with the thing. So stick and stay with me on this one. Stick and stay like Gorilla Glue. Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna get the ball rolling. We're gonna get papaya. Let's go. Cut into it like so. That is it. So we have some ginger here as well. Yeah, with no ginger, we have some honey. You know, we put in there and sweeten up. Yeah. Shouldn't scrape the seed out, should just blend the seed. Blend the seeds as well. But yeah, this is what we're doing, guys. We're gonna get somebody going in the pot, guys. You hear the pot making nice. You guys can't guess who is that going in the pot. You hear the pot making, pot cover making nice. You guys must can guess. Must can guess who is lifting up my pot cover. I can hear the pot cover making noise, guys. Somebody's in my pot. But anyways, yeah, get the speed off. Like so.
Smoky buns and sizzling grease. Love's the secret, the masterpiece. Chop the onions, let them
guys, I'm positive, I'm sure there's no foul. Because from I've been in this country, I haven't seen any foul walking around. You know what I mean? In Jamaica, yeah, I see lots of foul, and foul even go in your kitchen and fly on your stove and, you know what I mean? Lick off your pot cover and all them things. But in this country, no. But I know who it is, guys. I know who it is. So yeah, I'm gonna get papaya diced up in small pieces like so, guys. I already have some water in my blender. You see it. So I get everything diced up in there like so. I get pineapple. So I get the ginger in there as well. I'm just gonna blend everything. Yeah man. First we have the mango. Yeah. We're gonna get in there as well. Already washed out the mango first. So that's gonna cut.
Toss the doubts, let's saute bold. Together with a recipe untold. From the first taste of what we create to burnt toast, days we still celebrate.
Guys, don't make sure you have a cutting board. Make sure you have a cutting board.
In the heat of the kitchen, hearts collide. Whiskey joy create. To burn toast days, we still celebrate.
Try this, man.
Every dish is our melody play. Lapping it up, it's never too late.
You wanna get whatever nutrient is in the skin, you wanna get it as well.
Smoky burns and sizzling grease. Love's the secret, the masterpiece.
We have some ginger here. The wash. Everything won't hold in the blender at once, guys. So I'm just gonna have to blend this and then repeat the same process with the pineapple and get it blended as well. With the ginger. Yeah, man, that is it. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get it straight out. Get it rough it straight out. Yeah, so I wanna make it my own tropical fruit punch. Yeah, man.
Toss the doubts, let's saute bold. Together with a recipe untold. In the heat of the kitchen, hearts collide. Whisking joy with every stride. Spices dancing, stories told. Cooking love worth more than gold. Steam is rising, hearts will too. Stirring dreams in a pot for two.
I don't know, guys. Ginger seems to smell nice in everything. It tastes nice in everything you put it in. Because the aroma coming from this, I'm telling you, you can smell the ginger. So strong.
Every dish is our melody play.
Aroma is amazing.
It's never too
amazing.
late. In the heat of the kitchen, hearts collide. Whisking joy with every stride. Spices dancing, stories told. Cooking love worth more than gold.
So you guys, while the thing was blending up, I add some honey. Yeah, add some honey to it while it was blending.
Every dish is our melody play. Lapping it up, it's never too late.
Alright, let me get clear. Let me clear up the place. So you guys can see what I'm doing.
Smoky burns and sizzling grease. Love's the secret, the masterpiece. Chop the onion,
It's rich.
let 'em weep.
Look at this rich juice, guys. Lovely.
Love runs deep.
Lovely.
In the heat
Fruit punch.
of the kitchen, hearts collide. Whisking joy with every stride. Spices dancing, stories told.
Lovely fruit punch.
Cooking love worth more than
You
gold.
see, guys, you can always make your own punch. I mean, you don't have to buy everything.
Whisking joy with every stride. Spices dancing, stories told.
In that case, you know exactly what you're drinking. Yeah, it's not too sweet. You know, you can just make it to your taste. You don't want it too sweet or anything like that. I mean,
Toss the doubts, let's saute bold.
so yeah,
Together with a recipe untold. In the heat of the kitchen, hearts collide.
so you guys,
Whisking joy
we
with
finished making our fruit punch or fruit juice. Yeah, man. So right about now, we have a drink up something because I hit me feel for from morning. I hit me feel for so you know what. I'm gonna drink some right about now, so let me show you what I'm going. Yeah.
Dreams in a pot for two. Toss the dogs, let's saute bold. Together,
So thick and rich that is, guys. Yeah, man.
from the first taste
Thick
of what we
and rich.
create, to burnt toast days we still celebrate. Every dish is our melody.
So this is it, man.
Lapping
This is it. This is what we feel from morning. So yeah. So I have to make some food just I don't know.
Hearts collide.
So let's see what's going on.
Joy with every stride. Spices dancing, stories told.
Yeah, I can taste the honey in there, guys. It's not too sweet. It's not too sweet. Just the honey. I just had a little honey in there. Yeah. But you don't know the papaya and the mango, you know? Those are natural sugar. Those already have natural sugar in them, you know? Some just had a little honey. So,
Taste of what we create. To burn toast days we still celebrate. Every dish
yeah, man,
is
a little
our
honey to
melody
enhance the
played.
flavor of the thing. So I'm telling you guys, right about now,
It's never too late.
the drink is super nice. Super nice.
Smoke it burns and sizzling grease.
Wow.
Love's the secret.
Wow.
Master
As you can see, guys, I'm having it. And the ice as well. Yeah, man.
let 'em weep.
That is it, man.
Flavors waking, love runs deep. In the heat of the kitchen, hearts collide.
Amazing.
Risking joy
So
with
refreshing, guys.
every
So
stride.
refreshing.
Spices dancing, stories told. Cooking love worth more than gold. In the heat of the kitchen, hearts collide. Whiskey joy with every
Wow.
stride. Spices dancing, stories told.
Amazing.
Cooking love worth more than
So that is it, guys. You can go ahead, man,
is right.
and make yourself some fruit punch as well. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. That is it.
Stirring dreams in a pot for two.
So good. So good.
Toss the dogs,
But anyway, guys, we have made it to the end of another exciting video. So what you do for me, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share the videos with your friends and family members. Yeah, man. Tell them about the Art Kitchen, man. Tell them the Art Kitchen is in town and the Art Kitchen is looking your guys' support. Yeah, man. So until then, have yourself a fantastic week. Catch you in another one. Peace out.
rising hearts will too.